Bike Channel here. How's it going there, guys? This is Kyle with Dirt Bike Channel. You're probably wondering why the sound sounds so much different. In fact, the video looks a lot different. This is actually a new camera that I'm using. I'm riding the KTM 2018 KTM 250 XCW TPI. This is the bike that I'm giving away. If you haven't paid attention to the channel, a couple of days ago, I announced that I'm going to be giving this bike away for the price of a t-shirt. So if you go over to dirtbikechannel.com/win my dirt bike, or just go to my website, dirtbikechannel.com, you'll see all the details there. And I'm actually trying to talk through that here on this video while I'm doing this ride, but I'm using a new camera because I've had such bad luck with the audio from the most recent GoPros that have come out. So like the GoPro Hero4 is what most of my videos have been over the last couple of years. It's got really good audio quality if I use the Pro Shot camera mount, which ends up putting, it's like a chin mounted camera mount, so it's right in front of your mouth. So I've been able to get good audio out of the GoPro Hero4, but the video is getting kind of long in the tooth, and so I've wanted to upgrade. Well, I bought a Hero 5 when they came out. The sound was terrible on the Hero 5. The video was better, but the sound was terrible. Same thing happened on the Hero 6s. They didn't fix the audio issues on the Hero 6s. So we haven't had a good GoPro as far as audio goes since the Hero 4. So I've switched all of my other cameras over to Sony. I'm a big camera guy. I take a lot of pictures and a lot of video with my family, and I've got all my other cameras switched over to Sony. I got off of Nikon and Canon, and I switched to Sony a couple of years ago. So I thought, well, Sony's got this awesome action cam called the FDR-X3000. It's been out for a couple of years. It's a little bit more bulky than a GoPro, but the benefit of it is that it has optical image stabilization rather than just digital stabilization. So it makes for a really good picture. The problem is that the mics on this Sony Handycam, or this Sony action cam, are on the front of the camera. So I thought, well, I can kind of combat the wind noise that I'm going to get by putting one of those little furry cats or dead cats, the little fuzzy things on the front with a rubber band, and see if I can, knock down the wind noise. Well, it's just terrible. When the little furry cat, dead cat thing is on the front of the camera, it does knock down some of the wind noise, but you can't hear me at all. And so it's basically unusable audio. And then as soon as that little furry cat thing falls off the front, off my rubber band attachment point, then the audio is just windy, and it's unusable. So then I started playing around over the last couple of weeks with some mics inside the camera helmets, and I've resisted doing this for a long time because I didn't want to complicate my setup. But now on my last ride, which this footage here is not of that ride, on my last ride I did put a mic inside of my camera helmet, and I'm actually getting pretty good results out of that. So you'll see that footage coming out here in a little bit, where it's got decent footage from the Sony Handycam or Action Cam here, and it's also got some really good audio because it's coming from a mic which is inside of my helmet. So that's kind of what's going on. It's a different mic soon, and a different camera system that I'm using to do all these point of view shots, and I hope that you guys enjoy the upgrade. Hopefully it's a little bit more complicated for me, but hopefully it will end up being a good result in the end.
That is frozen! Dude, the ground is so frozen right here. I went to do a little.
You didn't even dig in.
Yeah, I went to do like I don't know even what you call them, just like not the pivot turn, the flip around. Yeah, as soon as I let go of the clutch, the bike went whoop right out from under me, and I dumped it straight on the ground.
Rubber on ice, man.
Yeah, because it is. You can see you're not digging in at all. This is the trail I was trying to find, though.
Well, so yeah, and I don't know where this one goes, where we got onto it.
Yeah,
if we run out, we always can go see where that goes. But
yeah, but I don't know if have you ever been on this?
Been on this.
Yeah, I found, this is what I was looking for. Extra cautious because I don't want to dump the thing. Man, it's amazing. These forks just soak things up, especially with run tubeless. I'm not running quite so much pressure. These forks just really soak up the rocks and the chop. Really nice. As good as any fork that I've used in this stuff, and better than most. This is fun. Bobbing and weaving through the trees. Whoa. Got a lot of shape back there.